Hello everyone, hello guys, I hope you are doing well. So, nkuko mubibona rero, uyu munsi tugiye gukora website igiye kumera nka YouTube cyangwa se nk'urubuga ntavuze. So nkuko mubibona, iyi website yacu irimo ama video ikabamo na audios. So nkuko mubibona dufitemo videos dushobora guplayinga.
Check out these features.
Dushobora guplayinga this one. Dushobora also guplayinga this one. Dushobora guplayinga this one. Dushobora no gushyira muri full screen. Urabona ko video yacu yagiye muri full screen. Dushobora no gukora muri full screen. Ningi dushobora kwishyira muri full screen, dushobora kuyiplayinga.
With this new update, navigating your apps is smoother than ever.
So
Check
I
out
hope
these
ko
features.
now noneho babandi bakora ama movie website mubonye uko babigenza. So now ntabwo dufitemo video gusa nkuko mubibona, dufitemo n'ama audios. Dushobora durangi audio. Urabona ko tuyiplaying. Dushobora no kuyihutisha. Dushobora kongera volume tukayigabanya. You see? So this is the amazing website. So muri website icyo uri bwigiremo uriga ni gute how video tags work, how audio tags work. So to style, as you see, this is the Flexbox, and also another thing is this is responsive. When we say responsive, is about your website can work in also tablet, desktop, laptop, and in mobile phone. So nkuko mubibona rero website yacu ishobora kujya muri phone kandi ikaba imeze neza cyane. Do you see? This is responsive. Iyi CSS twakoresheje nayo ntabwo ikabije cyane, naga CSS gakeya cyane ariko keza cyane. So guys, tutagiye muri menshi kadutangiye. But before we start, if you are new to this YouTube channel, cyangwa ukaba utararebye amasomo yashize, please guys go back and watch those videos. So guys, let's start. Hello guys, I hope all of you are doing well. So nkuko mubizi rero kuri YouTube channel twiga web development. So guys, today we are going to create this website you have seen. So nkuko mubibona rero muri screen yanjye, muri laptop yanjye, namaze gukora folder yanjye yitwa video audio website. So nkuko mubibona rero muri folder yanjye namaze folder nkuko mubibona ngiyi yitwa video audio website. Nkuko mubibona rero murabona ko muri audio nashizemo indirimbo enye, murabona ko harimo 4 songs. Also kuri video nashizemo n'ubundi video 5 videos nkuko mubibona. So nawe jya muri kora folder, creating a folder. Njye urabona ko nayise video audio website, iri muri desktop, urayishira aho ushaka bitewe nuko bishaka. Ukore utu video dutoya cyangwa se bijyanye n'izo shaka. So ushobora gukora na website bijyanye nuko bishaka, ariko iyi website yacu tugiye gukora abona ko video turakoresha n'izi ngizi namaze kwanzishira muri website, muri folder yazo yitwa video, and also na audio turakoresha n'izi namaze so this is video, audio turakoresha n'izi namaze nazo kubanzishira muri folder yazo. So guys, I hope ko ubibonye neza cyane. Noneho kadutangire dushobora gufungura iyo bita VS Code, code editor yacu. So now mu gutangira ushobora kuza iyi folder yacu kuyishyira muri VS Code. Dukoresha uburyo bwinshi, mwarabibonye tumaze kubimenyera. Nje uburyo bworoshye nkoresha nuko nza nkafata hano iyi folder yanjye nkaza nkayidraginga nkayishyira muri VS Code. Already urabona ko utungutu ni twatundi tuza. So already urabona ko yamaze kuba igeramo. Audio zanjye ngizi hano, video zanjye ngizi hano. I hope ko nawe ibingi birimo kubibona. So ndaza hano nkora icyo nshiraho like tugiye gushiraho file yitwa index.html. So index.html yahageze, dushiremo html structure yacu. website yacu urugero ushobora kwita uko ushaka ariko website yacu iraba yitwa MITECH, let's say MITECH Film Production. So now muri MITECH website yacu iratangirana na heading 2 ifite MITECH Film Production, MITECH Film Production. So kugira ngo dukore tureba result y'ibyo turi gukora, ndaza handi right click open with live server. Please guys, ibi narabibasobanuriye mu masomo yarangiye. Urabona ko title yacu itwa MITECH Film Production, ngiye na heading yacu amaze kubigeramo, ariko iki kintu cyo gukoresha live server narakibasobanuriye. Niba utarebye video, genda urebe video yo gukoresha VS Code. Ikindi uza hano kuri hehe kuri extensions, ukestaramo extension bita live server. Ni yingi kabisa iyi extension ukamakinga sure ko wayestayemo, imaze gukoreshwa n'abantu barenga miliyoni 39 hafi 70. So let's continue. Ubwo akana ko nakaba kanyuzemo. So let's continue guys. After heading 2, what we are going to do is we are going to create a section about section and other things. Niza ibi bintu twagiye turabyiga, ama element yose HTML element nyinshi twarazize, izo tutize tuzagenda tuzimenya tuzikoresha. So section nkuko muyumva nyine like ni element n'ubundi ushobora gukoresha ugiye gukora section y'ibintu. So inside our section turadufitemo heading 2. Heading 2 yashobora kuvuga ngo like welcome to MITECH Film Production. Welcome to MITECH Film Production. Also iyi dushobora kuyigira heading 1. Iya mbere katuyigire heading 1. Yes, editing igire heading 1 now. So after this, now we are going to create a div. Div nayo ni HTML element. Nukuvuga ngo ndimo ndabisobanura ko ibi narabisobanuye mu masomo yashize. Div nayo ni HTML element ishobora guholdinga other element. Nukuvuga ngo ni element ishobora gufata izindi element. Division, muri division runaka, inside the division ashobora kuzamo paragraph, heading n'ibindi. So nkuko mubibona rero turadufite div yabifite class yitwa video class. Video ibijyanye n'ama class n'ama ID byo nekereza ko biri mu ma video yashize, mu ma video akurikira ingi. So ngo ngo iyi video niyo iri gukurikira. So now inside our div turadufitemo indi div igiye kuba icontaininze paragraph. Let's say ko video yacu ya mbere yaba yitwa MI apps development, right? So now here so guys, nizere ko namwe mufite structure imeze ucya aho muri video audio website. Audio folder ya audio iri muri video audio website dufitemo folder ya audio, tukagiramo folder ya video, and then tukagiramo n'iyi file yacu turimo kwandika, turi gukoreramo website yitwa index.html. So now nkuko twa tumaze kwandika title ya video ya mbere iraba yitwa MI apps development, turimo gukoresha title, turakoresha program. So kuri video turakoresha tag ya video, ntago ndibuze gukoresha izi source here. Turaza hano turakoresha icyo bita control. So like hano tutarashiramo video, turaza tushiremo hano imbere. So turakoresha icyo bita source. Source yacu iraba ifite source imbere n'ubundi source. So tuze tuvuge ngo video yacu iri muri folder bita video ya mbere n'ubundi turakoresha ningi bita MI apps, right? Nituza hano muri browser, sorry, nice. Urabona ko video ya mbere yamaze kugera hehe muri browser. So I hope everyone we are together. So now we are going to add another video. So now nkuko twabibonye iyi class yacu batugire videos, iyi div yacu niyo video zose zirajyamo. So nuko ngo buri video na title yayo tuzajya tubishyira muri div. So hano twongera tuze twandike ngo div paragraph. So video iraba yitwa MITECH, let's say welcome, niko video iraba yitwa. No, let's say yes, welcome. And then after here we'll add a video. So inside we'll use source. We use a source. Inside the source we'll use also source. Here we can describe our location. Our location video zacu ziri muri video, and also video yacu nko twabonye yitwa welcome, kadukoreshe iyi ngiyi, ntabwo ngendeye ku murongo, I'm sorry. And hapo ko mwagiye mubibona, turaza hano nanone inyuma y'iyi div kongere dushiremo indi div. Also iraba ifite na paragraph iraba ari title. So let's say ko title yacu iraba yitwa MITECH advertise. MITECH advertise. So here ushobora gukoresha ibyawe, ngiye nuko ndimo gukoresha kugira ngo bize kugendana na video dufite muri folder yacu. So here turaza gukoresha video. So noneho source. Inside the source we have the source where we can specify the location. Location naho video zacu ziri muri folder bita video. We are on advertise. Izere ko tariyo turangije, yes, advertise video. So urabona ko i div yacu irimo MITECH advertise video irangiriye ahangaha. Turaza no munsi yaho twandikemo div. Uko ngo buri video na title byose biba biri hehe, biri muri div. So turandika paragraph. So hano muri paragraph noneho turaza dushiremo icyo bita indi video. So let's say turaba dufitemo video yitwa MITECH countdown. And then also here turaba dufitemo icyo bita video. Inside the video we have a source. Now inside the source we have a source to specify location. Location is about video, and also here is countdown video light, yes. So we have it to be with 4 videos. So nkuko mubibona dufite video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4. So but there is something you forgot. Hari akantu twagiye twibagirwa. Nkuko mubibona video ya mbere twayihaye controls. So kandi without control, tutashizeho control, urabona ko izi video zacu zidafite aho guplayingira, aho gukora ibiki. So that's why ira video ya mbere itameze nk'izindi. So turaza dushiraho control aho gukontrolera, ushobora guhagarika byose. So turaza hano dushiraho controls, tuze no ku yindi video here naho dushireho controls. Tujye ku yindi video naho dushireho controls. So nitugaruka muri browser urabona ko now video zacu zose dushobora gukora iki kuziplaying, you see. Urabona ko iyi video yacu
with this new update, navigating your apps is smoother than ever. Check out these features.
Do you see? And also to stopping. So nice. So I think video yes, 4 video zarangiye. 1 2 3 4. We have already 4 videos. So let's add here another section for audio. We are going to add section. So here, this is the section for audio. In our section, we have heading 2 that says listen to our favorite songs. So after this heading 2, we would have a div. Out of the div, class music. Ubwo ni div nayo igiye kuba irimo div nazo zicontaininze imiziki, right? Nizere ko ibintu biri kumvikana. So now we are going to have div 1 igiye kuba irimo song. Iyi song yacu iraba yitwa let's say a stroll the way. Iri ni izina rya song. Destiny, right? Yes. Let's minimize this. Hope ko murimo murabireba. So here, so tag noneho yadinga, tag ishiramo song yitwa audio. So muri audio icyo dukoresha ni muri source murabizi ko dushiramo location. So turaza hano tuvuge ngo audio source. Twabonye ko audio zacu ziri muri audio, turandika folder ya audio, and then this is the audio 1. So now ariko iyi audio ituza hano muri browser urayibona ngiye hano hasi. So ntabwo iragaragara kubera ko hari byo tutashizeho. So nkuko tubikorana none nko kuri video nk'ibisanzwe, kuri audio naho dushaka cyo bita controls, show controls, ikindi tugashiraho loop kugira ngo niba uri kuyicuranga igende ikora iki yisubiramo. So hano dushiraho song ya kabiri div paragraph. Also song ya kabiri iraba yitwa across seas and land. A share fero. Here is a share frero. No kuri audio turaza twandike ngo audio source, twabonye ko ari audio, and then iya kabiri tukongera cyo bita controls, tukongeraho na loop. So nitugaruka muri browser urabona ko songs ebyiri zamaze kuhagera. Do plays like this, numva ko zirimo ziravuga. This, let's stop this. Numva ko audio zacu zirimo ziravuga. So reka twadingemo izindi audio zisigaye. Turaza hano kuri div. So like mwabibonye, I can do copy paste ariko reka mbireke. So div here our next song will be the name of our next song will be blueprint for the future. Blueprint for the future by Rich Grooves. So here audio, twabonye ko source ari audio, and then blueprint is this. We have to add also controls and also loop. Another one will be div, paragraph. This song will be called board games for one by single friend. So audio source will be audio also. This one board games, and can add the controls, story controls and loop. I think that's it. So now we are going to design. Tujya kongeramo CSS nkeya. I know people from this YouTube channel, ndabizi ko abagendera nko ku masomo yanjye by'umwihariko ndabizi ko mutaragera kure. Tugiye gushiramo easy CSS that can help you to design a little bit, yeah. So now it's time to add some CSS. Nkuko mubizi tuza hano muri style, tugiye gukoresha internal. So guys, nirinda gukoresha CSS hambaye, tuzagenda dukoresha ga CSS koroshye cyane ku buryo guys everyone abyumva, ariko uko tugenda twiga niko tuzagenda bikomeramo. So now we are going to add style. Kigomba kumakinga sure nuko style yawe iri muri head. So style, we are going to style body. So noneho turadufite font family sans serif niyo nkunze gukoresha, nawe ushobora gukoresha yawe. Margin hejuru no hasi iraba ari 0, mu mpande noneho ni auto. And then max width ni width nibiba binini birangana gute, birakwira muri 90 view width. And also ikindi ni mini height. Let's use mini height. So ikiza cya mini height and mini width, ibyo wakoze nukuvuga ngo ibyo wakoze bishobora gutekinga width yariyo yose cyangwa se height yariyo yose, ariko nukuvuga iyo bikuye muri width it's okay, iyo bitakuyemo bikoresha mini width wabihaye. So mini height we are going to use like 100 VH. So nituza hano muri browser yacu, urabona ko byahindutse cyane, font yahindutse, urabona ko byagiye no hagati. This is the margin, kuba byaje bikaja hagati, this is the margin. So let's continue. So now we are going to style heading 2. I want to say text line center and also margin top 1 rem. So nitugaruka hano, you will see that heading 2 also comes here in the center. The next is we are going to style this one. We are going to style videos, and also we are going to style where is this? Musics. So kubera ko dushaka ko interface cyangwa se style biza kumera kimwe, just turaza tuvuge ngo dot videos. Iyi ni ya div irimo video zacu, ariko noneho tuvuge ngo dot musics. Iyi nayo ni ya div irimo musics zacu. So icyo turi bukore turaza tuvuge ngo display grid. So and also grid template. We are going to use for grid template column. Here we are going to use repeat. So for repeat, first of all we will say auto fit. This is the value 1. Value 2 will be mini max, which is mini max width. So mini max here will be, let's say 250 pixel 1 FR. So iyi display grid ni grid na flex tubikoresha iyo tugiye gukora ama flex cyangwa se ama grid box. So noneho grid template column niyo specifying is grid uko ziri bukora. Ukuvuga ngo iyi ni repeat, ngo biragenda byisubiramo auto feed. Ukuvuga ngo nitwa dufite urugero nitwa dufite width ingana na 500 zirafitingamo, niba ingana na 300 zifitingemo, niba ingana n'igihumbi zifitingemo. So ariko noneho mu gihe dufite width nini nkuko twabibonye, width ya nyuma iraba ari 250 pixel, kandi noneho zira box zacu zose niyo tuvuze box ni ya div, ni div irimo title na video, div irimo title na audio, byose gomba kuba bifite size ingana. Niyo tuvuze 1fr means that byose gomba kuba bifite size ingana. So nitugaruka hano muri browser, so urabona ko bya changes, right? Urabona ko bya changes, even na audios urabona ko za changes. So but urabona ko videos zitarukinga neza, tujye noneho kuzigira neza. So ikibazo cyahabaye hara kuri video. Also hano dushobora kumanza gushiramo padding, like let's say 1 rem, tugashiramo na gap ni umwanya uri hagati ya ama video, let's say 1.2 rem. So and then nitugaruka hano uraza kubona ko hagiyemo umwanya. So but before, let's give our videos the width. We are going to give video, tunakoresha video element, and then we are going to say width ekazitekinye 90%, 90% of div width. So nitugaruka hano now urabona ko video ziba ntoya, urabona ko now the website already done, urabona ko website already done. So and then nitugaruka hano turaza twongeremo height auto, and then you can add padding, let's say 0.8 rem. You can also add the border radius of maybe, let's say 10 pixel. So for audio also, we can give it a width of 90%. Here ushobora kwibaza ngo ese ko ubundi tutabi designing kimwe ngo hano naho ngo tuze ngo tuhashire audio bize gufatira style kimwe. Hano itahazamo ikibazo kuma audio za zifite specific height. So kwa ngo tubigize gutya nitugaruka no muri browser, audio zacu zirahita zigenda kubera ko ntago iyo uzihaye height so zifite default height, yo tuzihaye indi height sinzi ikibazo kihaba. Nanjye ntago ndakora research neza ngo mbirebe, ariko icyo dukora nuko turi buze hano tukaza tukazihereza border radius, let's say 10 pixel. Yes, I think that's it. Now ikindi dushobora gukora, dushobora gustylinga, dushobora gustylinga ya div yacu irimo title na video, ya div irimo title na audio, right? So turaza hano muri VS Code, dushaka ngo .videos div. Iyi ni div iri inside the videos, nuko ngo ni div iri inside ya video. So urabona ko bahise bayitwereka ngo dufite element ni I think ko ari div, dufite element ifite class ya videos. So noneho div turuku designinga ni iyi ngiyi ikurikiyeho. Iyi ngiyi ni ya div irimo paragraph ya title na video, cyangwa se paragraph ya audio na audio. So now ikindi turaza no tugashira nuko turashiraho audio, music, musics and then div. So na hano bivuze ko ari uvuga ngo izi ni div ziri muri videos no muri musics. Kugira ngo ubone neza nitugaruka hano muri code dufite class ya videos tujye gustylinga iyi div. Iyi div ni irimo paragraph ikabamo na video. So nituzi na indi iri kuri music dufite class ya music here tujye gustylinga video div irimo imbere ariyo iyi ngiyi. So nuko ngo biragenda bifata div zose zirimo hano imbere. So turigarukira hano. So icyo tugiye gukora nuko tugiye kuvuga ngo text line center and then tugiye kwadingamo indi padding mwaira div ni say 0.8 rem and then turadufite icyo bita border radius of 9 pixel and also turadufite icyo bita box shadow. Let's say we can say like 2 pixel 1 no, here let's say 4 pixel and then here and say 8 pixel RGBA. This is how we set box shadow. Here we can say 0. We're going to use RGBA 0. Alpha will be 0.SA2. Nitugaruka muri browser yacu, I think urabona ko box shadow yacu yagiye igaragara. So now guys, as you see, our website looks good. You can play video. You see? You can play also
With this new
video.
update, navigating your apps is smoother than...
You can press this one. You can also play this one. So we can also play our songs. You see? So we can stop. So now ubwo maze kumenya gukora kuba wakora iyi website, I hope ko nawe ushobora gutekereza idea ugakora website yawe ugendeye kuri iyi dukoze. So guys, thank you for watching. Please guys, remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching guys.